So I was reading a study this morning that said that 58% of consumers who use voice search to find local businesses every day. And I'm not sure I agree with 58%, but I could say probably 75 to 80% of the local businesses that are found are using local SEO. So that means they are going to either Google, Bing, ChatGPT, or they're going to Yellow Pages or super pages, or they're going to one of the voice search networks, or they're going to maps to be able to find a business. And if your business isn't listed on those networks, what's going to happen is your business is going to be left behind. Everybody inside of the marketing world wants to focus on Google Business Profile, and that Google Business Profile is like the end all be all. And really, there's so much more than that. You have Apple Business Connect. You've got your Alexa products that are out there. You have your Yellow Pages. You have all your aggregators. You have all your small sites. Everything all adds up. And what it relies on is it relies on you making sure your information is registered into all those different locations. And then the next thing is making sure your social media is there, and then making sure your website has the right structure and SEO to it to give your business the opportunity to be able to get in front of more eyeballs. Everybody wants to make this super complicated in the marketing world because that's how they make money. With simplybefound.com, you can come in, you can sign up, and just make everything kind of come together and do it by registering your business on all the networks, from filling out one set of forms, doing your social media, use our social media suite. And if you want, we can even help you do your SEO for your website, no matter who built it or who hosts it or any of that information. So it's one of those things to where if you're looking to be able to give your business more opportunities, yes, I think voice search is a huge piece. I think it's a huge opportunity, and I think there's a lot to be said for it, but there's a lot of other places. I mean, I'm seeing AI search popping up more and more. I was just looking over analytics this morning. Simplyfound.com gets talked about inside of, or gets clicks from ChatGPT all the time for between 25 and 30 times probably a day. I was looking over it for a couple of the companies that we still do all their marketing for, which that's not even the service we offer anymore, but I do that to be able to keep an eye on their analytics, and they're getting they're local businesses, and they're getting tons of clicks from ChatGPT. So it's about being everywhere. There's not as just a magic bullet of, hey, this is how it's going to work and this is what's going to happen. You have to make sure that you're putting everything together. So if that's what you're looking for, make sure you do everything that you can to be able to get yourself registered on as many networks as you possibly can. You can use simplyfound.com to make that more simple. But if you are not doing all that, you're just focused on Google, you're going to be left behind, and you are going to just be spinning your wheels. If you have any questions whatsoever, stop by simplyfound.com. Let us know in chat any questions you might have. We'd love to help you take your business to the next level. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.